In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in HP DeskJet 2955 all-in-one printer. This printer uses HP 68 ink cartridges, black and tricolor. To replace the ink cartridges, switch on the printer, open the front door and then pull this door down. The ink cartridges will move and come into the middle. Press this ink cartridge down and take it out. Take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Take the ink cartridges out and remove the orange seal. Remove the orange seal from both ink cartridges. To install it, place the color ink cartridge here. Slide it in. Hold the printer with the other hand and push it. You will hear a lock sound, that means it is installed properly. Close this door. Just check on the printer control panel like ink is installed properly. It may print the alignment page and we can just scan it, but sometimes it may not print that quickly, so we can start using the printer. Thanks for watching.